Hey Simon, are you feeling a bit slimy?
I'm feeling perfect, dude. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I'm giving him a bar!
Now do the Only you. You. Satisfied.
Euro shit. You. I used that. I was gonna go straight. Fucking went straight my eye, man.
My eyeball!
So what's happening? What's happening?
A young Matthew ordered a taxi, and they fucked us around. They're not coming now, so he's on the phone right now, as if you can see. He's not very happy. No. Somebody told him. Somebody say a taxi gonna come, but it's not gonna come, is it? No. So somebody gonna get the hurt, real big time. Be a man. Be a man and send the taxi. Be a man.
Sorry.
Here we have the Matthew Spicolotus. His natural habitat just about to crack. You can see by the shaking of his left eyebrow that he's almost like can't tear away from just going bleh. Composed. His posture shows an aggressive tone. Elbows pointing downwards. Teeth showing. Covering his eyes to hide from the prey.
Hide from the prey?
Yeah, the prey. I don't know. Fuck, I'm not fucking Edinburgh.
Chase the prey?
Yeah. Use your speed. Use your speed.
Hide from the predator, man.
That's right. Oh, we have a winner. Somebody.
And he's like, I do the dance!
Testify.
And a big second man.
Sound, man. That's alright.
Whose guitar was screeching?
This car.
My guitar's screeching. I need to fix it.
Feedback.
What happened to stage microphone?
Up there, everything was all back. All the vocal mics were back to front, so
the guitar's picking up your.
it's okay, just do it.
You're gonna turn it down.
I will turn. But yeah, he was the master.
In the camera. Hey, hello. I'm the taxi driver, crazy one.
Do that one for the feeling.
They want oh, what a feeling. Go by Canberra.
Somebody, right? Okay, what's the song?
For the cops.
Copper one, yeah? Oh, yeah. We are all the American. We are like the fuck around. Copper is the cocksucker. They love to suck your dick.
And thank you. The shit is Canberra, C-A-N-B-E-R-R-A.
What the hell sort of people do you have in your band, man?
What's going on, man? Some white ass shit.
Sing us a song.
Sing out the song, the Copper song, alright? Canberra Cab song got a song too.
Okay.
Do it,
What's that one?
You know the Canberra Cab song?
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Can you
bad
say
system.
motherfucker in the song?
You say motherfucker.
The Canberra Cab is very bad.
Canberra Cab
It's very bad.
They are make the driver sad.
They all make the driver sad.
They are taking a piece of shit.
They all taking a piece of shit.
See some bad to never fix.
See
Driver to survive.
No driver to survive.
They are to make the owner cry.
They all make the owner cry.
What can the owner do with that?
What can the owner do with that?
We are the need to the second base.
We are the need to the second base.
Who can be the Easter one?
Who can be the Easter one?
We think the only Johnny 10.
We are only Johnny 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can we get a printout? Can we get a printout?
You made up all those songs.
That's amazing.
All by yourself?
One is the song, the word Funky Town.
Funky Town.
No, Funky Town.
Sing Funky Town.
Funky Town, not Funky Town.
Oh, right.
Oh, want to meet you. Oh, want to meet you, Pussy Town. Oh, want to meet you, Pussy Town.
Fucking gold, man.
They put this song and change the new Have you heard this one, the modern birthday songs?
No, go ahead.
No, go for it.
Please.
You don't hear say what a happy birthday. So yeah, that's normal. It's old song.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What's a new one?
We change the songs good one better than the old one. Yeah.
Yeah, well, go ahead.
Today is your birthday. Today is your birthday. We are all the way had a celebrate. We are all the way had a celebrate. Do it.
Thanks for driving to Sydney, man.
Hey, you want to drive us to Sydney, brother? Hey, what's your name?
My name's Tony.
Turn on, Tony.
Tony, yeah.
In the camera.
Tony, you're on.
I'm Tony.
Tony, do this.
Yeah, don't take me to the Golden Hilton.
Nuts. All right, Tony.
Hey, mother.
Before you go. One, two, three,
Oh,
four.
motherfucker, go back
The whole flight